Just by looking at this masterpiece, you can see how beautiful it is. Do you think it's something you can design? Anyways, join me as I walk you through the design process. So we already have our page set up, and the size of this page is 15 by 17 pixels. So next thing is to add our background. So we add our image. So this is the image we'll be using as our background, and we add this other image we'll be using for this design. So first of our background, we remove the background, and we try to place it well. So we increase the size, increase the size. So after fitting in the our image, next thing we remove this background for this particular image, and we bring it over here. So we just have to flip it, come to flip, and then we flip it like this. So next we head over to our elements to add the particular shape. So we'll be adding this shape to our design. We bring it here, we increase it and increase the length. Send this backward, so position, layer, and we send this backward. We tilt it a little bit, drag it up to this extent. So we duplicate it, and this one they are duplicated, we give it a stroke weight of 5, and the stroke color should be something like gold. Okay, this one is okay, and we reduce the size, and we try to fit it in here. So the layer we send it backwards, and we position it well. So next we add another shape, add this particular shape. First of all, we change the color to white, and we rotate it this way. We make it, we elongate it, and we bring it here. The corner, we increase the corner rounding to 70, and we bring this over here. So we send this backward to layers, send this backward. So next thing, still under the shapes, we pick out another shape. So we pick out the square shape, and we reduce the size, resize it, we bring it below here, and we increase the length. We decrease it a little bit. So we try to centralize it, and we change the color to green. Yeah, we change it to this green. This one is perfect. We duplicate it and bring it here. We reduce the size, bring it over to this side. So next is to input our text. So add a text box, and the first text to be adding is just a little write up about the brand. So after typing the text, we reduce the size, bring it over here, reduce it this way, and we bring it here, change the color to white, and the alignment should be right alignment. And we increase the font size. So we need this and this to be on the same line. So we move this towards the side and we are done with that. So next thing is to duplicate this and we edit it to our menu. We bring it here to position it and we increase the size, fit it in properly. So it's meant to be just 25, and we duplicate, change the color to red and we edit it. So this is the menu list, and we it should have a left alignment and it should have a bullet. So we just drag this up and we place it here, make it bold and increase the size. We also decrease the line spacing. The line spacing is much. Next is we duplicate this again, we bring it over to this side, we change the color to red and we edit it, bring it this way, and the alignment should be center alignment. To bring it down here, first of all we reduce the line spacing, and we bring it down, decrease the font. So the font size should be 23 and we bring it here. Next we duplicate this, we also bring it here and we edit it. So let's say phone number. Now if in case you want to reach me for any reason, either to learn video editing, graphic designing, this is my WhatsApp number. So you can just use this number to reach me via WhatsApp. Just text me via WhatsApp. This is my number. So it is +234 then 070. So this we change the font to this Fedoka and increase the size. Now we increase the spacing, the letter spacing. So we increase the letter spacing to 155. We bring it here and we increase the font size. So next thing is to duplicate this. We duplicate it, raise it up, and we change the color to red. Now we edit this to the name of the brand. So the name of the brand is Cookie. The letter spacing we reduce it to 0. We bring it down here, increase the size. So we duplicate it and we edit it to Parfait plug. We reduce the size it, and we change the color too to this kind of red, a different shade of red. So just zoom in to place it well so it can be very clean and accurate. And lastly we come here, we duplicate it and we raise it up. So we bring it here, we change the color to black, and we edit it to the best you will ever find. So we reduce the size, it's more like a tagline. So we reduce the size and we place it here. So let's make it 15. Let's see what it looks like. So for this we make it transparent. We give it a transparency of 90, and let's add some finishing touches to our design. So next thing is to go over to elements, we search for strawberry, and we go with this one. We bring it here, reduce the size, and we send it backward. Okay, so this is good. And next thing, we search for milk. So we search for split milk or spilt milk. So for the split milk, we just go with this one. We place it here, and position should be backwards. And the transparency, we reduce the transparency to 70, and we proceed to search for shadow effects or shadow. Now we add this shadow on beneath this parfait, send the position backward, so it should just look like it is sitting on the floor. Next thing, we add this other now kind of badge. So we'll just go with this one, this particular order now. We bring it over here, increase the size, and the color, let's make the color orange, more like this orange color. Then next is let's say 100% natural. So we'll be adding this, you can see the name 100% natural logo design. So add this, we bring it over here. Now this won't actually show well, so first of all we make all of this green, dark green, and after making it dark green, head over to shapes, and we'll be using a circle. So we'll be using the circle shape, change the color to white, we reduce the size, we use the size to the size we want, we bring it over here, and we send it, go to layers, send it backward, and after sending it backward, we try to position this one very well to align with it, and we have this. Lastly, we'll add more like a call icon, a call icon. You change the color to white, we reduce the size, and we place it here. So basically we are done with this design. This is the design process. Now if you enjoy the design process, you love the outcome of the design, and you learned one or two things from this video, ensure you subscribe, like, and comment.